Hello guys, how are you? Let's learn some colors name. Pink color, black color, white color, orange color, violet color, brown color, red color, green color, blue color, yellow color. Today we will try to learn some alphabets A, B, C, D, E, F, G. Yellow color. A for aeroplane. M for monster. P for parrot. Y for year. Pink color. D for dust. H for horse. T for torch. V for vanilla. Orange color. C for cucumber. N for nest. R for rest. Violet color. F for fan. K for kite. O for ox. Z for zip. Golden color. B for bird. L for lollipop. Q for queen. Red color. E for Egypt. I for ink. U for unicorn. Green color. G for ghost. J for jackfruit. S for ship. W for window. Blue color. X for xylophone. A B C D E F G H I J K L M N O P Q R S T U V W X Y and Z. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you next videos. Bye bye. Hello kids, how are you? Let's learn some colors name. Orange color, green color, violet color, black color, red color, yellow color, blue color, brown color, pink color, white color, red color. A for aeroplane. Green color. B for butterfly. B for ball. Yellow color. C for chocolate. C for candy. Blue color. Number 1. O and E. 1. Orange color. Number 2. T W O. 2. violet color. Number 3. THREE 3. A for avocado. B for butterfly. C for candy. Number 1, number 2, number 3. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you next videos. Bye bye.